cleansed by His blood. Join heirs with Jesus as we travel His side. For our part of the family of God.
Yes, we say brothers and sisters round here.
It's
The God of the family. You are so good.
when one has a heartache, we all share the tears and rejoice in His victory, in His family so dear. I'm so glad I'm a part of the family of God. I've been washed in the fountain, cleansed by His blood. Join heirs with Jesus as we travel this side. Form a part of the family of God.